Hello and welcome to moBistro. Today we are going to show you how to load your brand on your mobile website that you just created. So we're going to log in. I'm going to show you a little bit about the screen, the version number and so on, and then we'll load a brand and background on this lesson. So let's log in first. You go to admin.mobistro.com. Type in your email and password, and you guys have already seen this. Couple things to point out. First of all, on the top right hand corner is the version number. I'm going to highlight that, and this demo is for this version number, which is 1.0.1.1129. So if you see a different version number, which you probably will because we update it about once a week or so, you will see enhanced features added in. So all the restaurants that you add will be in a list over here. You can also select it on the left hand nav from the drop down. So let's go ahead and select moBistro, which we've already added, and once you select it, there's no content in it. It gives you your account information up on the top left hand corner, and it gives you your settings information on the bottom left hand corner, navigation I should say. So the first thing we want to do is show you a couple of things. If you click on General on the left nav, this is where you can add your meta tags for SEO as well as your Google Analytics ID so that you can track your own statistics. So once you add that, you can save it. The integrate portion on the left nav helps you integrate your website, your desktop website, with your mobile website. So depending on the technology you're using, you can cut and paste this into your desktop website, and what that does is it detects traffic from mobile devices and automatically redirects that traffic to the mobile version of your website, so it looks nice for your users. Mobile URL, as you can see, it's already set to moBistro. So basically this is going to be your default URL, which is http://m.mobistro.com/ your restaurant name, whatever you create. In this case, it's moBistro. You can also create a custom domain name. So assuming you own the domain name yourrestaurant.com, whatever that is, you can create a domain name called m.yourrestaurant.com. So moBistro doesn't appear in the URL. The next thing is logo, and this is what we're going to do right now. So we are going to, like I said earlier, load the brand. The first thing you have to do is load the logo, and the second thing we'll do is load the background for the logo as well as the main portion of the site. So the logo dimensions, the preferable dimensions are 44 by 320, 44 high by 320 wide. The reason for that is the iPhone's default dimensions are 44 by 320 for the header, and that is the most popular device that visits mobile site that people use as mobile sites right now. So therefore it's best to serve it up. Our system also dynamically resizes based on the device. So in this case, I've already created a file called demo header that I'm going to select. It is this bright orange header file. I'm going to upload it, and that's what the header is going to look like, the demo restaurant that we have created. Very simple, 44 by 320, like I said. The important thing to remember is to load the backgrounds, because if your screen size is going to be larger than 320, then that may pose a problem. So what we're going to do is create a blue main area background and an orange header area background. You already saw the orange, obviously. So the colors here, the hex colors that we've selected are for blue 0066CC, and for the header area it's FF9933. So once they're selected, you can save it. That's it, you're done with the header. You can do a custom CSS. We're not going to do any of that, but you can do very powerful stuff. If you are a developer, you already know that. And then once you click on preview, you should be able to see it. There you go. The orange header and the blue background. Obviously there is no content on it. Pretty simple, but it looks pretty slick.